What up, though? Adriane Mayes, AI genius, on this Resurrection Day. Businesses, they miss a lot of calls, and we're going to talk about the missed call text back feature that's featured here in Go High Level on this beautiful Resurrection Day, and making sure that this AI genius, Adriane Mayes, make sure you're taken care of in 2024. The great thing is about being a part of an AI marketing program, especially during Easter, the opportunity to grow, to expand. It's really honestly on you. Own it. Design your reality. With this feature, the missed call text back, stop leaving money on the table. We're going to go through the actual features of the actual missed call text back and who is this for. And we're also going to go through how the calculator works. And if you stay to the end, you'll actually be able to get a cheat sheet to make you get started in this 5-day challenge right now, as it's March 31st. Adriane Mayes, the AI genius, has you covered with a cheat sheet. So make sure you drop in the comments below when you get started. AI genius or AI or Easter, just drop it in the comments. So what we're going to talk about as we're live, and I have my business partner, Unique Gaines with Gaines Family Services coming in. But with the cause of missing calls and having businesses grow, when you have the features with technology, the great thing is when you have a missed call, when you miss a call. I was talking to my cousin yesterday, Joel Bosh, amazing podcast that he had with Papa Snoop, and was able to actually check it out. Check out Already Entertainment now. And when I was actually on YouTube, so when I was watching the video last night, Papa Snoop is coming to Detroit, Michigan. What up, dolls? Papa Snoop. So April 19th, he's having his debut and having Detroit Mailman featured here in Detroit, Michigan. So Atlanta, Georgia to California to Detroit, Michigan. What up, though? So when I was watching the video yesterday and Papa Snoop was going over all the different locations, when Joel asked him about where he would love to travel, and with being the change in CCC Because We Care Foundation approaching 15 years, why this is so instrumental is acts of kindness, wealth creation, travel experiences, and AI marketing education. Those are the tiers of our foundation. So when Papa Snoop talked about the different places he wanted to travel, his favorite places being Amsterdam, being Switzerland, he said in the States, not too much, but what his real story was here in Detroit with the 8 Mile and Livernois location on McDonald's, Papa Snoop, we have, it's Wendy's now. So what you'll notice in the Detroit Mailman and this debut. So again, make sure you check it out April 19th, and make sure you subscribe to my cousin's channel. If he missed a call from, I don't know, Tyler Perry saying, Papa Snoop, we want to put your video, Detroit Mailman, in the Tyler Perry studios. The 1 and the 2 will go hand in hand. If he missed that call, that's what this feature provides and Go High Level. So let's jump right into it, as this is something that's a free 14-day trial that you can actually get started. So there's no excuses when you're looking forward to making change in your life, especially when you have technology. So as I share my screen here with you today, as you see, the great thing is about High Level and why our foundation is partnering with High Level. We can't do it all by ourselves. When we have thousands of entrepreneurs and 5 billion people online, why do it alone? The great thing is leveraging the millionaires and the billionaires that have already done it. So Chase Buckner, that has the founder of Go High Level, and the introduction from Billy Jean's AI marketing program. I have to say what up, though, to Billy Jean. But he introduced us to something that's more than just a software. It's an all-in-one marketing platform, and I was familiar with it. Went from Course Creator 360 back to Go High Level. But the key thing is Go High Level is the same platform. Course Creator 360 was a white label, and it's something you're able to do as well if you're actually an agency helping marketing and growing your business. So with the 5-day challenge workbook, as you can see here, Paulson does an amazing job with Go High Level, giving you step-by-steps on how to approach the offer, how to approach the setup, actually targeting your clients, growing for the outreach, and then wrapping it up with the fulfillment, as well as homework. So like I said, the cheat sheet that you'll have with Adriane Mayes when you move forward with the missed call text back for your business, I provide a nice little cheat sheet for you so you can get all these information. So the whole success of the challenge, number one, you want to have your preparation together. You know the technology is in and everyone has a cell phone, but did you know that 98% of people actually follow up on their cell phone versus the email? No, email is the game too. Email is the long game, but you want to make sure that you're actually conquering in your clients, right? And with text messaging, 98%, with that percentage, it's amazing. So you want to check this out for your business. So as Go High Level does, as you can see, provides the workbook, provides you the steps for each day. Number one, day 2, day 3 through day 5 on how to set up your whole platform. When you're actually looking for help on Mondays at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, they're live. You can ask questions. You can go hand in hand any part of the process that you're in. You can grow and evolve with help, right? Paulson is literally, and they have a Facebook group that is amazing just for the 5-day challenge. So on day 1 was the actual offer with the missed call text back. How does this actually benefit you? When you're actually having these calls and all these missed calls be missing from your business, the criteria you should consider is the volume of calls that a business has. Now, if you're reaching out to someone that only has like 1 call a week, that's probably not going to be the best value for your buck. But if you're reaching out to someone, for example, a restaurant or someone that's actually looking for like a lawyer or a doctor, those people are actually depending on those phone calls. So purely online businesses are not the target that you want to actually connect with, but Adriane Mayes is going to connect with everyone. So the great thing is with this actual workbook, it goes through all the 5 days for you. And Paulson lines up everything in regards to give you an idea if you want to actually promote this yourself. So as an affiliate of Go High Level, which you're able to become as well, we're able to set up you to take advantage of the features, not only of this missed call text back, but of all the features of Go High Level. So the main thing I want to show you here in the module is the great thing of what will happen when you move forward with Adriane Mayes and being the change in setting up your business. What you actually have a sub account set up, you'll have a user set up, you'll have a phone number set up, not from your personal cell. Let's get professional, guys. We'll have a Stripe account so you can actually get payments right away. Have a snapshot set up, which is literally a copy of someone else's business to have a template to get you started. Calendars, we set up the domain as well as the website and workflows. So how does this work? What does all this mean? The great thing is we give you a cheat sheet. Dive in and get into the 5-day challenge because you want to be able to help people and grow and expand in regards to your business. So the great things in this scenario, we're focused on making sure that each person, each business, each entrepreneur wants to elevate their game, but with steps in doing so. So it's a real simple and easy process. It's really the key thing is making sure that in your network, you're providing all the information needed for a person to take control and take advantage of this opportunity. Maybe you start out with a story, maybe give some numbers, maybe give some conditions or decisions that will help out to make the decision better for the person that you're presenting with. So Go High Level is an amazing software. And this challenge is literally, the goal was just to get 1 client and 1 client out of 100 because it's a numbers game, my friends. And what I do love about Paulson's workbook, and we won't go through the whole thing here, the great thing about Paulson's workbook, as you can see, is it's giving you tips, giving you feedback. All it needs is your action. The action of being able to convert and help in gaining in regards to your conversion strategy for your business. So how to actually invite people? Well, the great thing is it's Easter, and Adriane Mayes is filtering out the process of, cleaning up the whole. I have over 5,000 people in my phone. I have phone numbers, I have contacts, I have emails. We're going to clean it all up. We want to actually move forward and help people. And it's okay if Adriane Mayes is not the solution for you. I do understand. However, with the phone cleanup, with the phone dump, with the email dump, the great thing is we're moving forward for a business mindset. There's change that can be happening. And as the president of CCC Because We Care Foundation and all the things that's happened to me over the last few months, the one thing that I can honestly say on Resurrection Sunday is thank you. I am thankful for every step of the way because I wouldn't be here without the process. And the great thing is about the process, and you're building and learning in each step is helping someone else. the love and the acts of kindness that you can provide of just showing the value and the growth and the opportunity that you've just accomplished over the years, it's amazing. I'm going to leave you with a short story as I'm going to start my hustle plan here. I want to make sure I go live. And my guy, Andy Westrick, with Billie Jean's AI marketing program, reached out to me. He wants to go on a Zoom. But I want to leave you with this quick story. I reached out yesterday. LaShonda Rice, a soror with Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, reached out to me in regards to another soror that was looking for life insurance assistance. And, you're supposed to help one another, right? So I gave her a call and had some health issues. Long story short, just kind of gave her a breakdown of help, of enlightenment. How to Google it now. I didn't pass to Jen, the one you guys know, how to Google it now. How to get the information that you need so you're comfortable for you and your family. As that progressed, LaShonda being amazing, working with Sharon Harris with the Lupus Association. And she let me know that Sharon, her birthday being this past week, Sharon has been an all-star in Adriane Mayes' life since I've been 13 years old. And this morning, I had the opportunity to speak with Sandra Harris, her mom. And everything that Sharon is going through right now, Sharon Harris, just know that Adriane Mayes, your angel, is praying for you and working for you in God's plan. As you never know what someone else is going through, but your journey can never be what it can be. It can be the best it can always be. And it starts here with your mindset. You be amazing, Sharon, as you are an angel in my life, like you have been more than you know. And LaShonda Rice, thank you so much for actually reaching out to me to provide some help for someone else, as well as the very nice words that you said for Unica Gaines, as well as Adriane Mayes and growth in helping people. It's not a joke. It's not a fluff, and we might not get it right every time. But the key thing with acts of kindness, and when it's coming from your heart and it's genuine, on this Easter Sunday, Adriane Mayes is coming with love, kindness, and education to help everyone. And how we know, my guy Billie Jean does affirmations, and I do affirmations as well. And wanting to start this whole plight, this task, this cleaning up of the phone, the contacts of the Billie Jean AI marketing program, and the growth for CCC Because We Care Foundation. I leave you with this, as Andy texted me. Anything is possible, and I'll improve every day. Wealth and prosperity flow easily towards me. I love the journey as much as the destination. I embrace all challenges as opportunities for learning and growth, but trust God's plan. And I have to work it. Fear is the enemy. Trust in God. Don't focus on the problem, but the solution, which leads to success. All I can control is my effort and attitude every day, and I will always give my best. I am a happy person. I'm a healthy person. I am blessed. I am loved. I will focus on what makes me feel good. Changing my mind is a strength, not a weakness. I can, I will, I must own it. Design your reality. I am genius. I don't make excuses. I make it happen. Everything is my fault. Positivity is my power. I think like there's no box. Success is my duty. Impact is my motivation. Kindness is my character. I am genius. Own it. Design your reality. I can, I will, I must. Let's go. Papa Snoop in the D, April 19th. Joe Bosh, Already Entertainment. Great job, podcast, my friend, my brother. Go high level. Missed call, text back. You guys you're gonna hear from me. Adriane Mayes, AI genius, helping small business grow with AI, automation, and AI scroll stopping ads. I can, I will, I must. mctv.beingthechangellc.com. Let's go.